In this unit, we have learned some basic concepts in structure and reactivity of the organic compound which are formed due to covalent bonding, and nature of covalent bonding in organic compound can be described in terms of the orbital hybridization, and concept in the organic compound can be described in terms of the orbital hybridization. The concept according to which the carbon can have sp3 sp2 sp hybridized orbital in sp3 sp2 and sp hybridization carbon are found in the compound like the methane, ethane and ethine respectively, and tetrahedral shapes of the methanes and planar shape of ethane and linear shapes of ethine can be understood. The basic concept a sp3 hybrid orbital can overlap with overlap with 1s orbitals of hydrogens gives the carbon hydrogen single bond and single sigma bond with 1s orbitals hydrogen gives rise to carbon hydrogen sigma bond. Overlap of the sp2 orbitals, one of carbons with sp2 orbitals, another resulting in the formations of the carbon-carbon sigma bond, and unhybridized p orbitals on two adjacent carbons can undergo and lateral side-by-side overlap to give rise to pi bond. Organic compound can represent the various structure formula and three-dimensional representations of organic compound on paper gives draw Weiss dash formula. Organic compound can be classified on the basis on their structure and functions groups. They contain a functional group in an atom, so group of atoms and bound together in a unique functions, and which is determine the physical and chemical property of compound. The naming of the organic compound carry out the following set and rules laid down the International Union Pure Applied Chemistry IUPAC IUPAC nomenclature and naming the correct with the structural in such a way and read can be reduced structure in naming. Organic reaction mechanism concept are based on the structure of the substrate molecule and fusions of the covalent bond and attract reagent and electron displacement effect and conditions of the reactions. An organic reaction involving the breaking or making of the covalent bond, and covalent bond may be cleavage in the heterolytic or homolytic making of fusions. A heterolytic cleavage yield the carbocations and carboanions, while homolytic cleavage gives rise to free radicals as the reactivity intermediate, and reaction proceed through the heterolytic cleavage involving in the complementary pairs of the reactivity species. These are electron pairs donors such as nucleophilic electron pair acceptor known as electrophilic, and inductive and resonance and electromeric and hyperconjugations effect may be help in the polarizations of the bond and making carbon atoms or other atoms positions as place of low or high electron density. Organic reactions can be broadly classified in the following types: substitution organic reactions, additional reaction, elimination reaction, rearrangement reactions, purification अथवा quantity and quantitative analysis of organic compound are the carry out determine their structure and method for purification, sublimation, distillation and differential extractions based on different in more type physical property, and chromatography is useful the techniques of separation, identification, purifications of compound. It is classified into two categories: Absorptions and partitions. Chromatography. Adsorptions chromatography is based on the different absorb of various compound in a mixture of the adsorbent, and partial chromatography involving in the contains particles of compound of mixture between the station and molecular phase. After the getting compound in a pure form, it is the qualitative analysis is carried out of the detections, and getting the compound in pure form, it is quantitative analysis is carried out the detections of element and present in it. Nitrogen, sulfur, halogens, phosphorus are detected by element present by Lyasign test, and carbon and hydrogen are estimated by determined amount of carbon dioxide and water produced. Nitrogen is the essential ड्यूमस अथवा केजिनथल मेथड्स केजिनथल scientist name. Halogens by the Carius method, and sulfur and phosphorus are the estimate by oxidizing and them as sulfuric sulfur and phosphorus acid. The percentage of oxygen usually determined by difference between the total percentage and sum of percentage of all other elements present.